with a massive mandate. Whatever promises we have given to the people of Karnataka, it is our bound duty to deliver everything. The promises, whatever we had given to them, we have delivered. At the same time, we are fortunate with all your cooperation and all the legislators cooperation. We are giving a government with a good governance. We will continue to do so. Today, we discussed the strategy of 28. We discussed the strategy of 8 assembly session, which is going to be held. How to tackle the opposition party. We will do it. Whatever they do, politics, they may try to create a lot of issues. We are ready to answer to them. As far as political issues is concerned, the leadership issue is concerned, we go by my party high command. Whatever my party high command tells, it is our decision. We have been a loyal soldiers of the party. At utmost, we all are the basic party workers to keep our party regime very high. We know the party is in difficult stage in our country, but still we have confidence. Karnataka will take a major role, repeat in 28, and will take forward in 29. Again, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji, we are confident that we will come back and we will support 29 to bring them back to power. That is our commitment. We have taken an oath. We will do that, and we will deliver for the people of Karnataka. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಬಾಯಿ, ಎರಡು ಕಿವಿ. See, if the party wants us to go, definitely we will go. But have some issues. ನಾನು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We both have spoken. There are major issues which the parliament members has to take up in this session, because they are not supporting us, either on the sugar cane or on Mekkejoda, whatever is there, maize issue and various other program. Whatever they are promised, they are not committing to help the state, which we are bound to get the support from the central government. Other day, the Honorable Chief Minister met the Prime Minister also, has given a representation. Yesterday, Mr. Dinesh also has requested the Prime Minister on this issue. So we are going to ask our parliament members, don't waste your time. You are not helping the state government. You will have to go collectively. If you are interested in the interest of state, let us all join to go. And I could see that many of the central ministers were telling that we will be a part of the delegation. I will go. Fortunately, justice has been flown from the seat of justice. As far as Mekkejoda is concerned, we are very proud that we have got a good verdict, and the ball lies with the central government now. The CWA has to give a decision on that issue. So we are planning to submit a detailed project report, revise the project report. Connected to that, they have to support us on irrigation. They have to support us on all other activities, whatever there. Lot of financial sectors are due. Karnataka is a state, a very important state in the country, where India can be seen through Karnataka and Bangalore. This is the state what we are going to do. We will deliver. So we might have to go to Delhi to apprise to the parliament members. So, one minute. If you are urgent, you can please. As far as the no confidence motion is concerned, let them do, because they need some time for the discussion. They will not get the time. They are also politicians. They feel that they can't discuss much. If no confidence motion is there, they can go elaborately. There will be no time for that. But let them take no confidence motion, or let them go any adjournment motion, or let them do whatever they want. As an opposition leader, opposition party, they are bound to take any route they want. As a ruling party, we are there. They are there to oppose us. We are there to give them the answer to not only to them, to the entire state and the country. We are capable of running the assembly and the government. We will do it.
Unity will continue. We are together. myself and the President of the KPCC and Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, and myself are single. We are you are united. You are united, and there is no differences between D.K. Shivakumar and myself.
ಸರ್ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಚಿವರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ
ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಲೀಡರ್ಗಳು ಪರ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಕೋನ ಸರ್.
Listen to me. See, the High Command, whatever decision it takes, both of us will obey.
ಸರ್ ಡಿಕೆ ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಸಿಎಂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ
ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತು? ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರ್
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಗೋ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
Sir, can you clarify if the 2.5 years agreement is there or not?
No, whatever High Command tells.
So, is there agreement? Agreement is there 2.5 years or not?
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Whatever High Command tells, you will obey.
Sir, at least
You understood it or not? This is my reply to your question.
Sir, status quo till assembly.
ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ.
See, we go together. There are no differences between me and D.K. Shivakumar. We face the election, assembly. We have worked out a strategy how to face the BJP and JDS, and we will face it.
ವಚನ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I don't know. They are telling that no confidence motion will be moved. It will also face it. Or adjournment motion, if they want to bring, whatever discussions they
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ
ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್.
ಸರ್ ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?